You can hold your own hand if no one does it. My name is Caroline Gina. I'm an entrepreneur, a sister, a friend, and a lover of life as it comes. I am a travel enthusiast and a sucker of fun things in life. While at it, I also do mentorship and help people to become the best version of themselves. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's do this.
Hi everybody, my name is Kendi and this is Ngina, and today I am introducing her first YouTube video. And so I'm going to be taking a bit of questions from the internet on some of the people who decided to ask her questions. So this will be about more on get to know Ngina. So Ngina, right down into it. Tell us more about Ngina. First of all, I met Ngina when I was 18 years old in church. My goodness. So when I was in church, I decided to serve in Business Forum, which is sort of a business forum element of the church, but then I was in campus. And then, who do I find? Miss Clean Ngina. We'll tell you why we call her Miss Clean. And later on, I served in leadership in Business Forum in church. And Gina became my leader at that time, and she became one thing that so many people really don't do in life or in business or in career. That is an accountability partner. And so we grew from there. And so at that moment, I was a student, but Gina was in business, and it really, really, really made me want to get into business. Yeah, Ngina, I've told you that before.
Yes.
And so maybe today we're gonna talk about her entrepreneurship journey. We'll talk about her success. We'll talk about her low times. We'll talk about anything that you guys have decided to drop into her DMs. And so we can get started. Ngina,
Wow.
Tell us more about yourself.
Thank you so much, Kendi. And finally, we are here to do my YouTube channel that I've been looking forward to.
Oh my God!
I'm done with speaking. We are here right now, gonna do the action and get everything done.
Yes.
So I'm so excited. It's a dream come true. I didn't know when, how, and like how I'm gonna pull it through.
Yeah.
And thank you so much. I gave to you when you are young, like
you met me when I was a teenager,
See, your love is just helping me to start this. I'm so excited. Sometimes, guys, when you're giving out, sometimes you may not be expecting much.
Yeah.
But the world has a way of bringing it back to you. So givers are receivers.
Yes.
Mandate
Absolutely.
yourself to give more than receiving.
Yes.
And yes, I'm receiving. This girl is really helping me right now
They're
to start this.
Reverse mentors. Okay, so people want to know, first of all, people want to know about you're a renowned business person, you are a speaker, you're an entrepreneur, you traveling all over this continent, all over the world, doing speeches and all these things. Tell us more about them. So let's start first with Miss Clean as a business. Miss Clean, and then maybe you can talk to us about how you grew into becoming a speaker and a coach.
Well, everything just revolves around my life, and everything I do is a church to me, so I may just mix up most of it, but of course it will be very clear. I started being an entrepreneur. I think everything started with my being an entrepreneur, of course, after taking a business course, and after growing up with an entrepreneur grandfather and a grandmother, and an entrepreneurship family, I had no choice but to just become one. And yes, I was trained in most of the things that people are not trained in, and especially when you're growing up, being told how to just rear chicken, like the basic things, in life, and being told how to, reminded how to manage your money and how to reinvest your money in most of the things. And yes, I had money when I was growing up. So when I got time that I needed to either go to business or go into employment, my first choice was business. And yes, I got into business after working for 1 year, which of course I'd already volunteered in an NGO for like 4 years. So yes, Miss Clean was birthed. And why cleaning? Cleaning, it's because I have a passion for cleaning. I love cleanliness, and of course I grew up in a family that has like clean freaks like all through. And yes, my passion, I decided to make it my to make profits out of it. And yes, today it's 11 years, and I'm so excited. Miss Clean specializes in professional cleaning services, both domestic and commercial. We're located here in Nairobi, and yes, we work and clean everywhere in the country. And yes, it's been a whole sum of experience that I'll be sharing in most of my YouTube channels that you need to keep watching and keep checking out what you're doing. In between, after learning,
we clean,
you shine. about cleaning, you know, it takes an experience to be able to talk about something. I've seen people start writing books, and when you look back, they've been reading many books, combines the books, and makes it a book. I have the experience, I can tell you. 11 years plus, I can tell you much more about my failures, my successes, my lessons learned in business. So in between, while I was just growing, I realized that there are people behind me that will need a bit of nudging, a bit of encouragement, a bit of inspiration, and someone to just hold their hand.
Yeah.
So yeah, I decided I can just as well just give back in bits and bits. And that's how I trained in public speaking.
Yes.
And that's how I became a motivational speaker. And mine took like a high notch. You know, it started internationally, my friend.
Oh my God,
So I've been to many countries. I've been speaking in Rwanda. I've gone to Swaziland.
Yeah.
I've gone to South Africa. I've gone to Nigeria. I've gone to Benin. Like, I can't even mention all the places that I've been to. But you know what? It's good to give back at home.
Yeah.
And yes, I've decided to do this YouTube channel so that the world can actually hear my story.
Yeah.
Because it takes time for me to be there physically.
Yeah.
And yes, I can actually give back today. And
That's-
any other time that I'm doing my YouTube shoots and YouTube channel.
That's amazing.
Yes.
So maybe we could. Okay. So Miss Clean does cleaning services. You'll find them on top of glass buildings, you know, with those
Hanging
ropes.
like
hanging.
Spider-Man.
Yeah. So that's amazing. Congratulations for that, Ngina. So let's talk about. We want to talk about two major things in your business. We want to talk about your biggest failure and your biggest success. So maybe we could start with
Failure.
what do you think was your biggest failure, and what lesson did you learn from it?
My biggest failure is actually something I just shared with you.
Yes.
And one of the biggest challenges as entrepreneurs that happen to us is when you start making money, you're very careful about it.
Yeah.
But sometimes when money starts flowing in, because
Yeah.
you're not ready and you're not prepared to receive good money,
Yeah.
because you're used to small money
Yes.
or little money that you
Yes.
need, you do
You have to pay
annual.
your bills,
So
yeah.
once in a while, some millions check into your account,
Yeah.
and you're like, oh, girl,
Next
project
project.
is gonna know me, you know.
Yes.
So you either go buy a big car, you either move into a big house, you either big, you know, just getting. That is only for those who think maybe better.
Yeah.
Others buy clothes,
Yeah.
shoes. You know what I mean, girls?
Yes.
Yes. Or you even push your money to another business because you're
Yes.
just running one business and you think you're already successful just because a good check came in. You think now you're a guru and a serial entrepreneur. So you move in and start investing in another business.
Yes.
Wrong, big mistake.
Yes.
I've done it. I moved in to start a fruits and salad business. Oh yeah, I know maybe that one you've not heard about.
When? My
So
God.
I established a fruits and salad business in downtown. And let me tell you,
Yes.
I've never ran around this town after Kanjo, you know, city council. You know, their scurries were all over. They're asking for this permit. After you acquire this permit, they need another one. They need money. They're stopping my stuff. They're closing the business. And one day, I just woke up and said, you know what, girl?
It's done.
I am so done. Close that shop. In
Yeah.
fact, I just did a phone call to my staff. I told them, the fridge, the microwave, the everything that is in that shop, just close it.
Yeah.
Bring them to my main office that I'm
Yes.
doing cleaning. Because what this did,
Yeah.
one, it took away my finances that I was
The
supposed to
button
reinvest.
finances,
I was
yes.
meant to reinvest in my cleaning business, meaning my business growth was delayed.
Yes.
This money also this business again took away my attention
Yes.
and my productivity and my
Absolutely.
business. So
Yes.
that actually makes you move into cycles and you will never become successful, and it will take you like forever.
Yeah.
And that's why sometimes you hear people say, I've been in this mess for so long, but I have nothing to show up for it.
Yes. Yeah.
I want
that's
to do
so
that.
true.
So
Yeah.
that was like, well, now, of course, I have so many failures that I'll be sharing. With time, we'll actually do a session and just talk about business failures in details because there are quite a
Yeah.
number of them, you know, from staffing, from, you know, reaching out to the wrong customers.
Oh
because
my
not
God.
everyone is your
Yes,
customer.
you need to learn to say no.
No, you need to learn how to make sure you write everything down. Contracts, engage lawyers, engage
Yes.
professionals.
Don't
engage
sign a thing.
Yes, never move until you sign. And make sure you don't just sign. Get consultants.
Yes.
Get professionals. It will cost you slightly more,
Yes.
but it will save
It
you a
will
lot.
save you, yes.
It will save you a cost
Yes.
others that you didn't need
Yes,
even to
absolutely.
do. So that's one of my favorites, just one of them. So if you keep watching my YouTube channel, you'll see much more of this.
Yes. Oh my God. Okay, she talked about fruit salad. Maybe you need to watch this because there's one major one that I know about. So, okay. So.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. That's it for today. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on the next video.